Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Adi Saputra. My name 19240931. I'm from class 19 one day 07. Here I will explain about opinions about smoking on campus. Smoking on campus is a controversial topic. On one hand, individuals have the right to smoke, but on the other hand, others have the right to breathe clean air free from secondhand smoke. Many campuses have implemented smoke-free policies to create a healthier environment for everyone. These policies protect non-smokers from exposure to secondhand smoke and also encourage smokers to reduce or quit smoking. Additionally, educational institutions have a responsibility to promote healthy lifestyles and set a good example for students. By prohibiting smoking on campus, they can help reduce the prevalence of smoking among students and support their long-term health. Continue. Explanation name 2. Explain about question word. Question word are what is to ask question in English. They help in forming inquiries to about in specific information in various contexts. Example from common question words include what, who, where, when, why, how, which, which, and whom. These words are essential for effective communication and gathering details in conversation. Continue. Question word as consists of when, what, who, where, when, why, how, why, whose, whom. Here is the explanation about question word in English. Question word are used to ask question and gather specific information in various contexts. Common question words include. Let's discuss one by one. Number one is what. What used to ask about something. Example, what is your favorite color? Number two, who. Who used to ask about a person or people. Example, who is your best friend? And number three, where. Where used to ask about a place. Example, where do you live? Continue. Now number four, when. When is to ask about time. Example, when is the meeting? Continue. Number five, why. Why is to ask about reasons or causes. Example, why are you crying? Number six, how. How is to ask about manner, condition, or amount. Example, how do you cook this dish? Continue. Number seven, which. Which is to choose among several options. Example, which one is your bag? Now number 8 is there. Whoosh. Whoosh is to ask about ownership. Example. Whose book is this? And number 9 is there whom. Whom is used to ask about the object of an action. More formal. Example. Whom did you invite? Uh, Continue with the next discussion. Multiple choice exercise. What's blah 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 your name? Multiple choice exercise. What your name? A is B R. Answer A is. Number two. Where nowhere who that man. A is B R. Answer A is. Continue. Fill in the blank exercise. Where your life? Answer do. When it start? Answer did. Sentence formation exercise. Are you? Answer how. Does this machine work? Answer how. Matching exercise. Book is yours. Answer which. Turn. Turn is it. Answer bush. Continue. Discussion. Common mistakes discussion. Common errors in using question words. Examples and correction. Tips to avoid these mistakes. Example number one. Incorrect. What does he is doing? Correction. What is he doing? Number two. Incorrect. Where you are going? Correction. Where are you going? Continue. Tips. Tips for using question words. Tips number one is practice regularly. Use question words in daily conversation. Number two, be specific. Use the right question word to get precise information. Number three, context matters. Is understand the context to use the appropriate question word. Number four, grammar. Pay attention to sentence structure and verb conjunction. Example, practice forming question with each question word. Number two, engage in conversation to use this word naturally. Continue. Benefits and objective. Conclusion. Summary. Number one, importance of question words crucial for effective communication. Number two, mastery is help in asking precise and clear question. Number three, a review, quick recap of all question words discussed. Key points. Key points is what, who, where, when, why, how, which, whose, and whom. Thanks for waiting. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. If there were any mistakes, I apologize. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.